7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so we have finally, we're moving forward with the driveway. We have some rock behind us that has been delivered. Don't just show it. So this rock pile we already had here. We already had that 3/4 inch gravel. The one behind us,
1.5 gravel.
and we have finally road base delivered.
This is delivery one. We're gonna need to do this 2 or 3 more times.
Yeah,
Taking donations.
because we have a long driveway. Why did we pick the longest driveway in the world? I don't know what we were thinking. Oh, it's so pretty. It has a lot of trees.
Ooh, look up there.
And look up there.
So to think about how the hell you gonna get up there.
Right, we didn't think about any of that stuff. So we do have our rock delivered, and we are going to start filling up the spaces and the ruts.
We're gonna start making a mess.
We're going to start correcting things, fixing things, so that in the future we don't have a mess.
We're about to make a mess. Make a mess first to prevent a mess later.
So how are we making a mess first?
I'm gonna do. We can
Oh, because you don't know what you're
make a
doing.
mess.
Okay, well, he's gonna make a mess. So, but anyway, guys, I know a lot of you are probably in your fuzzy slippers. You have time off, you're celebrating the holidays, you have hot cocoa and tea and whiskey or whatever you drink.
It's New Year's Eve. No, Christmas Eve.
It's Christmas Eve. Yeah, today is Christmas Eve. So you may not even be watching. You may be spending time with family and friends, and please do all that. That's great. But if you are watching, we just want to say
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Happy Christmas Eve.
Happy Hanukkah.
Happy New Year. But we will have a video out before the New Year.
Yep.
A full end of year review to show the progress, even though it may not look like progress right now. But we have been making progress over the course of a year. So,
Zoom out from the foolishness. And see
right.
progress.
It also inspires us, but we're hoping that it will inspire you as well, because it does take a long time to build a homestead,
Especially on the weekends.
right, especially if you don't live on your homestead. It also takes a long time if you're starting from scratch, like you have just raw land and you're just building up. So we're hoping that our end of the year videos, inspire those who are thinking about creating a homestead, or if you do have a homestead, to not get discouraged, because sometimes projects take a long time. Sometimes you don't necessarily have the funds for specific projects, and that's okay. Sometimes you got to save up and you got to wait, and it is a long journey to creating a homestead, and we have a lot more to go. So we're hoping that our video inspires you to continue building your homestead, or to start a homestead if you want to. We're hoping that will inspire you, and to not get discouraged if projects are taking a little bit longer than they should be, like our driveway. Yeah.
You're not trying to get a homestead. You can just be entertained by our foolishness.
That too. Yeah, all the projects that we mess up on, we mess up more than
We're taking the long way to progress.
we're teaching through our mistakes. So, hopefully you guys enjoy our mistakes. His mistakes, because he's the one doing it. I'm just the assistant.
Blame it on me. I can take it.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining us. We just want to say happy holidays. Hopefully we'll see you on Saturday to show you our progress of our rock delivery and how we proceed with our driveway.
Talking because she don't want to get to work. She ain't really trying to do it. She's like, blah, 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 blah.
Yeah, I'm not really trying to do it, so.
She dressed too cute to really do something today.
I'm not just cute. I just got on a black shirt and some leggings. Oh, but you think I'm cute? Oh, see, he said I'm cute. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll take that. Well, anyway, guys, talk to you later. Have a happy holidays, and we'll talk to you later. Till next time. Bye.
7 Sigma Off-Grid.